Welcome to our first day of writing for this week. This is our last week that we're going to be writing nonfiction. Do you remember what nonfiction means? Yeah, nonfiction are stories about true facts that have real information. This week, we're going to be reading the book called Vegetables. And this book has something in the front that I want to show you. You can find this in most nonfiction books. It's called the Table of Contents. The Table of Contents shows you what information you're going to learn in the book and what page you can find it on. This book has 4 main chapters. What are vegetables? On page 4, looking at vegetables on page 8, how vegetables help us on page 12, and healthy eating on page 18. And we're going to read those 4 chapters now. Okay. What are vegetables? A vegetable is a type of plant that we eat. Eating vegetables can keep us healthy. Some vegetables grow under the ground. This is a carrot being pulled up. Some vegetables grow above the ground. These are peas. They grow hanging down. What did you find out about vegetables? My friends are sitting back there. I'm going to grab Turn and Talk Ted so that he can listen to you today. All right, did you hear the question, Turn and Talk Ted? Yeah. The question is, what have you learned about vegetables so far? Yeah, you might have learned that some vegetables grow underground and some vegetables grow higher up, and that vegetables are plants. Let's keep going. The next chapter is called Looking at Vegetables. Some vegetables are short and round. This is an onion. A lot of different types of onions. Some vegetables are long and thin. These are green beans. Many vegetables are green. What vegetables do you know in this picture? There's cabbage, kale, broccoli, bok choy, Brussels sprouts, lettuce. Some vegetables are orange or purple. These are beets, and these are carrots. What else did you just learn about vegetables? Turn and talk. You might have said that vegetables can be different colors, and that they can be different shapes. All right. How vegetables help us. Vegetables are full of nutrients. You need nutrients to stay healthy. Eating carrots helps keep your skin and your eyes healthy. Eating spinach helps keep your blood healthy. Eating sweet potatoes gives you energy. You need energy to work and play. What did you learn in that chapter about vegetables? Turn and talk. You might have said that vegetables can keep you healthy in different ways, like how carrots keep your skin and eyes healthy, and spinach keeps your blood healthy, and sweet potatoes give you energy. Okay. Healthy eating. Half of the foods you eat each day should be fruit and vegetables. My plate reminds us to eat some foods from each food group every day. And those are vegetables and fruit, protein, grains, and dairy. We eat vegetables to stay healthy. We eat vegetables because they taste good. What did you learn in that book about vegetables? Turn and talk. Yeah, you learned a lot of facts about vegetables. Okay. This week, we're going to be writing some nonfiction about food. Just like this was a nonfiction book about vegetables. It was nonfiction because it had true information and facts about vegetables. I want you to think for a minute about what foods you could write about. Think about what food is in your house right now. Think about what your favorite food is. Think about maybe a food you don't like. Let's write down some ideas of foods that we could write about this week. Come on over here to my poster with me. This says foods we can write about. Okay. I'm going to write some of my ideas. I always love to eat bananas in the morning, so I'm going to write banana. Let's see. I like pasta. Something else that might be in my fridge right now is grapes. Banana, pasta, grapes. I'm gonna think of one more. Miss Cummings has a sweet tooth and she really likes treats. So I might write about ice cream because I love ice cream. Okay. So this list is foods we can write about. I wrote bananas, pasta, grapes, and ice cream. I would like you to think about the foods that you would like to write about, and I would like you to text or message me with the foods that you want me to add to our chart of foods that we can write about. And today, for your writing time, you can write about anything. Your writing should have a picture and a few sentences. And remember, if you don't know how to spell a word, you can always just think of the sounds that are in that word and try your best to figure out what letters you hear when you're writing. Okay? Feel free to send me pictures of your writing. Send me or your teacher texts about foods that you would like me to add to the chart. And I will see you tomorrow when we're going to start writing some nonfiction about food. See you tomorrow.